Hi guys, bit of a different video this morning. You get to see me today, so my apologies. But today, by the way, this is Rocky down here. Rocky or Nocky is yeah. She's our little calico, she's staying with us. But what we've got here is something I've had to design for my daughter because she's got this very naughty dog. It's a little whippet called Tiberius. He's always stealing the cat's food, isn't he, Bab? My wife's filming, but she's non-verbal. So anyway, what we've done, sorry about a bit of a joke there, she is verbal, but not today. Anyway, look, we designed this thing, or I have, to allow the cat to have its food without the dog getting in there, because I tell you what, Tiberius, he's the world's naughtiest dog, and he jumps on everything, so you can't put the bowls of food high up. It's just a nightmare. So anyway, we've got this contraption we've made. It's made out of plywood. Come and have a look at it. Let's have a close up. It's all collapsible as well. I'm going to show you in a minute. So he comes in here, comes in through here. Then obviously the dog could stick its head in here. So we've got this baffle inside. Let's have a look at the baffle. Come and look over the top at the baffle. So you see that baffle there, see it's just like that. That goes in there like that. Just drops down in place like that. So you put the food the other side. And is that coming up all right on there? So the food goes this side. And he walks in there, goes over there and eats his food in peace and quiet without being pestered by the wretched dog, Tiberius, who's a wicked little whippet. He's a wicked whippet. So anyway, but basically, my daughter's always moving around, so I've made this so it's collapsible. We're going to give a quick demonstration of how it comes apart and goes back together again. We're going to do that for you quickly. By the way, what is the date today?
9th.
It's the 9th of November 2025. Let's take it apart quickly. Can you film inside so we can see how it comes apart? She's a bit of an amateur, but we're training her up. That goes like that, that goes like that, that goes like that, and clip that out. That comes out like that. Do the same on this side. And I'll show you what these little clips look like. And there we go, let's put that there a minute. And there it is, so there you go, it all flat packed, see? What do you think of that then, everybody? So it's quite a neat little flat pack design. There we go. There it is. So let's put it together quickly. I've numbered it so you can know where the numbers go. Let's grab number 4. And if you have a look at these clips, how these clips work. See, it's like these little clips. There's the corresponding on that side. I had to countersink it in slightly. So anyway, let's put it down. Let's get it together. Clips on there like that. Clip. There we go, that's that one. Let's get the other one. That's number 3. That goes on there like that. One, 2, that's clipped in there. And number 1 goes in there. Number 1, number 2. That just goes in like that. Clip that in. Clips in. That's it, and we put the little baffle in. Where's our little baffle? Pop that in. Oh, wrong way around. That drops in there like that. And we've got the lid. That goes on. Because this whippet is terrible. He would try and get into anything. He makes Raffles look like an amateur. You've got to be of a certain age to remember Raffles, I suppose. He was a an Edwardian safe breaker, a gentleman thief. He could get into anything. there it is. Now this actually is made out of plywood, which I got from the Somerset wood recycling place in Weston-super-Mare. All that would cost £10. Screws and fixings are £5. And these little clips off Amazon, my wife got these, 10 quid. And there it is. It's got no bottom, it doesn't need a bottom, so it just sits down there. And there it is. I just want to do a quick shout out to Brian in Florida. Hi Brian, Nigel, good old Nigel. I'm seeing you on Tuesday, Nigel. He's over in Somerset. And we've got Claire recovering in hospital from a hip operation. So hi to Claire and hi to AD, and who else can I say hello to? Anyone else? I forget everyone. I forget, I've got a bit of a bad memory anyway. But hello to anyone that watches my channel. Hi to Ben, he might be watching it, you never know. And to Joseph over in Malta, hi to you. And that is it. This is the cat feeding station. So there you go, guys. Have a good weekend. Over and out.